Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create gradient gold foil effect in Photoshop. Start by typing your bold text and open layer style, select gradient overlay. Click the gradient editor and select gold shades. Use color stops, set style to reflected and set angle 90 degree. And also add a bevel and emboss effect. Increase highlight opacity for metallic shine. Add a subtle noise overlay for texture realism. Duplicate the layer for depth. Now add inner glow using soft yellow tone. It enhances gold reflections. You can darken edges with gradient masking, perfect for luxury or logo design. Your gold foil shines